Thank you. Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Assalamu alaikum and very good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. I am the last speaker of today, but I think not the least one. I congratulate the organizers of today's international conference, especially Dr. Asghar Ali Dashti, Dr. Faisal Javed, Dr. Arif Khan, Dr. Brohi, Dr. Osma, and all other, sorry if I forget the name, all the team members. And it's a really great opportunity. I'm also grateful to them for inviting us here. I'm also grateful to my co-author of the paper and appreciate his efforts, Mr. Naveed Anjum, for having collaboration in this paper. Topic is Pakistan-Poland economic relations and regional connectivity, challenges, opportunities, and way forward. Introduction. Pakistan-Poland relations has pre-partition history. There were 30,000 Polish refugees settled in Karachi during World War II. Diplomatic relations established in 1962. My other colleagues, they also talked about. Currently, both countries have trade of $722 million US. This trade volume between the two countries can be enhanced bilaterally, annually, with the efforts of the business community, but also with the support of the governments from both countries. There are still few issues which need the government attention on the both sides, like visa issues to Pakistani businessmen. It's comparatively difficult to get the visa of Poland. The business environment in both countries, especially here in Pakistan, because of some factors, there's also an obstacle. Quality of Pakistani products. Poland is part of BRI, so it can be part of CPEC as well in broader context. And it will help both countries and the region. Trade with Poland will help to eliminate poverty in Pakistan. Poland can help Pakistan to modernize through technology, which Pakistan direly needed. Pakistan-Poland economic relations. Both countries have close economic relations. According to 2018 data, Poland ranked 23rd as Pakistan's export destination. We want Poland to be in Pakistan's top 5 export destination. Poland had become Pakistan's 7th largest trading partner in the European Union. Both countries have trade of $722 million US, where Pakistan has big share of $600 million. Trade decline was minimal during COVID-19, which was a positive sign. Both cooperate in multiple areas, like cooperation in the oil and gas field. Poland is pioneer of petroleum exploration in Europe. Pakistan has potential and need for oil and gas. PG&IG, known as Polish Oil and Gas Company, is operating in Pakistan since 1997. Exploration in 4 concessions, namely Mekhtar, Sabzal, Khanpur West, and Sabzal West. It holds 40% working interest. I mean, the Polish company holds 40% working interest in exploration in Nawabshah. Company discovers Rahman 1 well in 2009 and started production in 2013. PG&IG is first tired gas producer in Pakistan. Tired gas is, which is, deeply rooted, and a heavy machinery used to extract it from the deep layers of the rocks. So this is very much, effective, in this production of the tired gas. PG&IG has drilled 11 wells and Kertar block comprising 3 appraisals, 3 exploratory and 5 development wells. Company has invested $125 million in Pakistan. Daily production from Rahman field is 24 MMS CFD from 4 producing wells. If we have a look about the coal mining in Pakistan, Pakistan has 3,377 million tons of coal and ranked 20th in the world. Pakistan can use this coal for almost more than 300 years and 9th largest producer in the world. So if we see this capacity of Poland, it can really have strong collaboration with Pakistan in the coal mining sector in future. Poland produces 80% of its energy through coal. Both countries signed an MOU in 2014 for coal mining. Further, if we have a look about Pakistan's exports to Poland, so there are multiple products which Pakistan exports to Poland, like textile, chemical fiber, sports products, leather products, vegetables, corn, ties, plastics, onyx, marble, and medical veterinary instruments Pakistan export to Poland. Pakistani exports to Poland are increasing at an annual rate of 19.1% on regular basis. Pakistan did not export any service to Poland in 2020. Textile exports to Poland are 90% of all exports. Textile is, we know that it is major industry in Pakistan. In 2022, I mean this year, Pakistan earned $4.583 billion from textile. But we have no doubt that this textile export from Pakistan to Poland, it should be continued, but we have to diversify our exports, and Poland can open new markets for our other products. Poland's exports to Pakistan. Poland is 6th largest economy in the European Union by GDP, 5th in the European Union by PPP, and 24th in the world. In 2021, Poland exported more than 148 million US dollars of goods to Pakistan. Iron and steel are top exported commodities. It exported vehicles, cosmetics, railway machines, and tractors. During last 25 years, Poland exports to Pakistan increased 5.39% from 31.4 billion US dollars in 95 to 117 million US dollars in 2020. Poland provides Pakistan electric equipment, including diesel generator, spare parts of marine and diesel engines. Further, Poland to join CPEC, but in broader context. I mean, that's already part of BRI since 2015. And if we see in 2019, Poland's ambassador to Pakistan, Peter Oplansky, said that his government desires to join the project at a later stage. He said business environment in Pakistan is improving, and Poland businessmen can take advantage by investing in special economic zones under CPEC. Let me tell you that there are some 9 special economic zones under the CPEC, and 3 are prioritized, where already work has been started. And these special economic zones already played very crucial role in the development of China, and it is a model where Pakistan wants to copy it. And yes, Pakistan can diversify, can boost its economy, it also can link its economy with all of its neighbors, and even beyond the neighbors. We can reach to Eastern Europe, even to Poland, through the utilization of these ECZs, I mean special economic zones. Further, trade concessions by Poland to Pakistan. Under GSP Plus status, EU cuts import duties to 0 on more than 2/3 of the tariff lines of their exports. For GSP Plus, countries had ratified and implemented 27 international conventions. Poland is a member of the European Union and always supported Pakistan for GSP Plus scheme. In 2013, Pakistan received EU-granted duty-free access to 96% of Pakistani export products to the EU market. The current GSP Plus scheme will end next year in 2023. So we will have to re-sign this GSP Plus status. In first 2 years of GSP Plus, Pakistani garment exports to EU grew at 11% per year. In 2010 flood, Poland supported Pakistan to increase trade to minimize effects of flood. Trade concessions by Pakistan to Poland. Pakistan provides concession to Poland in the areas where it is weak, like energy production of raw materials like oil and gas are the main areas. Pakistan is providing concessions to the oil and gas companies of Poland. Poland is conducting exploration and production of oil and gas, technologies in banking sector, digital security, fintech, drones and smart cities. Better investment opportunities are there in agriculture and food processing areas. Geoeconomic advantages of Poland to Pakistan. Poland is located in the heart of Europe. It can provide Pakistan with an opportunity to export its products to the European Union and East Central European markets. Poland is internationally connected through trade, migration, investment, and have strong infrastructure. Poland is one of the most connected countries of Europe. Pakistani businessmen can use Poland's location to enhance their business in Europe. It is easy to start business in Poland, just registration in court is needed. Pakistan can utilize this opportunity to enhance its exports. Sorry, I'm having short time, so geoeconomic advantages of Pakistan to Poland is also there. As Pakistan is at a juncture of South Asia, Central Asia and also West Asia, Poland can utilize it. Regional connectivity between the two countries is possible. There are 3 routes, from China we can do, Russia and then Eurasia, Poland. Also, that is another CPEC can also be very much vital in the future, having that access to the Eastern Europe. You can see the map. Then this one, there is already, Pakistan, Tehran and Istanbul, Turkey, that railway line that can also be used in future. There are some challenges to Pakistan-Poland economic relations, like some import tariffs, some custom duties, some infrastructure, some the quality of the products. These are some problems, but of course opportunities are so much. We have to concentrate and we really can utilize these opportunities to have stronger and even strongest relationship in all fields between Pakistan and Poland. Thank you very much.